Curbside Museum. This is their little artifact thing today. All the hay.
Sing the song, Bum Bum. I said the hay, the hay, the habit to the habit, say that no, the habit to the habit, to the hay.
Go to this top. Hopefully it's a nice viewpoint.
Wiggle your neck like that.
Take a picture. We can take a photo at the top. Let's see.
In the Cecil with the phone.
So we're going on the swinging bridge. Let's see which does want to go. I'll go. Oh. Oh wow. It swings. Do you see that? This one isn't that bad compared to the other ones. This one's lower. But I'm gonna go back because Mitch is on the other side. But it swings. Do you see that? Swings. Kind of like teeters. Oh well. That concludes the honeymoon road trip, choose your own adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun choosing all the different options. If you like this video, this idea, make sure to give it a like, and don't forget to click that subscribe button down below as I post every single Friday. Thanks for watching, and see you next week. Bye.